Don't touch that horse. Call him now, call him. Go to just some of them. Let's go back. All right.
Excellency Senator David Mark, Emeka Suleiman Nazif, National Secretary, Senators Les and Modo, other members of the BOT and NEC this afternoon holding here with due respect.
A letter was served on me. I know the letter will be of importance to this meeting. And I received it. Congratulations, I saw the BOT chairman. I showed him the letter. He said he has the same letters too. Meaning that the letter was served on me and equally served on BOT chairman. My dear caucus, the letter is very important. And we want us, if possible, to first of all discuss the content of the letter before other things today. Who help me read?
Behind this effort, for us to continue to work to make PDP chart the way for Nigeria. The National Assembly is very aware that at this time, everyone is looking up to PDP to show the way. Because we know that the other party have themselves admitted failure. When the president of the country who is in the other party says that he will never end a failure, he has already admitted that failure is following him as he's going. And so what we want to do is to ensure that PDP gives Nigeria the best type of administration come 2023. Thank you very much.
We have just risen from our 40th meeting of the National Caucus of our great party, the PDP, where we have resolved to submit to the NEC of our party tomorrow a recommendation from the National Working Committee for the National Convention of our party to be held between Friday 30th of October to Saturday 31st of October. Venue will be determined by the grace of God tomorrow by NEC. Also, this distinguished body had empaneled 8 distinguished leaders of our party under the able leadership of former President of the Senate, Senator David Mark, to interface with our leaders who are involved in these issues of court, so that all court matters can be now withdrawn and then for normalcy to continue to return to the party. I appeal on behalf of this body to all well-meaning members of our party to sheathe their sword and let us embrace peace, because Nigeria is waiting for PDP, and I believe that we have the capacity to resolve whatever issues we have internally. Thank you very much, gentlemen of the press. In view of the fact that we are yet to receive the service of the court order, we empaneled this committee. It's part of what this committee is going to look at via the party and all the parties involved accordingly. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. And thank you, gentlemen of the press, for coming to this briefing.